Let Garmin show you how to install the Garmin spy pole on your Garmin Force or Force Pro trolling motor. For this process, you will need an 8mm hex bit driver and a 5mm hex bit driver. The spy pole is intended to be installed on the Force and Force Pro trolling motor using the included trolling motor bracket. You can purchase and install the spy pole gunnel mount accessory if you do not have a compatible trolling motor. Follow the link below to purchase the spy pole gunnel mount accessory. This video will show installing the spy pole on the same side as the stabilizer. You can mount the spy pole bracket on either port or starboard side of your vessel. Start with your Force trolling motor in the deployed position. Then remove the 3 screws securing the stabilizer using the 8mm hex bit driver. Now remove the stabilizer. Align the spy pole trolling motor bracket with the 3 holes on the bottom of the trolling motor. Insert the 10mm hex bolts and washers into the spy pole trolling motor bracket. Tighten the 3 bolts and washers to the Force trolling motor using the 10mm hex bit driver. Next, we will mount the stabilizer on the spy pole trolling motor mount. Remove the old pull cord grip from the stabilizer. You will no longer need the old pull cord grip. The spy pole trolling motor mount will provide a new one. Stow your trolling motor so that it rests above the vessel deck. Check the length of your stabilizer by placing it on the deck next to the indent on the spy pole bracket. Mark off any excess length and cut the stabilizer so it fits into the indent and rests flat on your boat's deck if the stabilizer is too long. Slide the new rubber pull cord grip onto your stabilizer. Place the stabilizer in the indent on the spy pole bracket. Align the stabilizer puck over the stabilizer and 4 holes on the spy pole bracket indent. Then place the 4 bolts and washers through the bottom of the spy pole bracket and into the stabilizer puck. Tighten the 4 bolts and washers using a 5mm hex bit driver. Place the pegs of the spy pole into the spy pole bracket and press down until you hear a click. The spy pole is now connected to the spy pole bracket. Make sure you adjust the spy pole shaft so the transducer does not make contact with the trolling motor propeller. First, we will loosen the head screw on the depth collar ring using the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Then, loosen the depth collar holding the shaft. Pull the shaft up and above the trolling motor at least 7 inches for full clearance of the propeller. Now, tighten down the depth collar. Then, slide the depth collar ring back into place and tighten the head screw using a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit marinesupport.garmin.com.